My name's Nancy Goring. I'm a senior analyst at 451 Research, and I follow application and infrastructure performance. I'm seeing organizations that adopt modern monitoring tools realize some additional potential beyond why they initially embrace these new tools. And I think this has some really interesting potential implications. So let me give you an example or a couple of examples of how organizations are using monitoring tools beyond the initial IT ops use case. So I think there's two primary constituents here that can really benefit from these expanded use cases. I'll talk first about IT ops. So traditionally, IT ops groups have used monitoring tools to get insight into, say, CPU or memory or the application performance. But with flexible modern monitoring tools, they're beginning to understand that they can derive new kinds of metrics from the data that they're collecting and also ingest different kinds of data in addition to IT ops data. So business type data, maybe revenue, or insight into particular customers or categories of customers that might be having performance problems. And the result is new use cases. So IT ops organizations can begin to prioritize their work based on how application performance is impacting, say, revenue or important customers. In addition, some of that same kind of insight can be really useful to new constituents in the organization, like product managers. So traditionally, these kind of monitoring tools were really relegated to IT ops organizations. But when you can include this new insight into how really important software products are performing and how that performance impacts the bottom line or other areas of the business, then that becomes really important insight to product managers and other line of business folks. So they can begin to understand how application performance is impacting customers, the user experience, maybe even revenue, and that can help them prioritize and direct their own work and their own priorities.